one slice of bread, and after that I have some small pieces of cucumber, so I cut it as well. After that I have bell pepper, so I also chopped it in small pieces. Fourth one, I have a green leaf, so you can use some other ingredients as well. Number 5th, I have shredded carrot. I already shredded it into a small pieces, so please shred it very careful. And I have 3 pieces of cheese, and we are also going to use this one in sandwich. And this is avocado. So I think it should be a little bit messy because it's so hard. So you can use a soft avocado as well. So going to start how to make a sandwich. First of all, you need to wash your hands, then wet your hands with a tissue, and please be careful and also get help from your parents. I know it's a little bit difficult for you, but if you not an issue, I know you're so smart. So let's start how to make a veggie sandwich. So let's go. So we are going to make it all together. First, take a 1 slice of bread, then use butter and fill all of your bread with the butter and do it very neat and clean and in a good manner. You can see this one. Is that good? Yes, I know it's good. So after that, we are going to use some small pieces of cucumber. See, I am going to put this one on the sides of bread. You know, when we are going to make a veggie sandwich, and some sandwich have so much saturated food, and that is not good for health. So this sandwich is also good for health. It's also good for your heart rate and for your muscles as well as for your body. You can see I fill this bread with the cucumber pieces, and after that I am going to use bell pepper. I'm going to put a little pieces on it. Is it yummy? I think it looks so yummy. So after that, is it good? Looking good? Yay, I know. So after that, I am going to use some veggie leaves. So it's your wish. If you want to good enough, put this one. It's good. If it's not, then it's your wish. Okay? Then, yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm going to use the second slice of bread and put some cheese on it. First cheese, this, and second one, fill with the cheese, and please do it nicely. Then your sandwich looks beautiful. See this one. After that, I'm going to put some shredded carrot on it. Bread with the shredded carrot, and at the end I'm going to put some avocado on it. I think you need a mashed avocado and a soft avocado to make it more good, but I have a small pieces of avocado, so I am going to use like this. So this is my second piece of bread. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one here and I'm going to put this one on it. So this, and I'm going to join this. So here we go. Our sandwich is ready to eat. Is it yummy? Yeah, is it yummy? So stay healthy and stay good at your home. Bye everybody.